Every day, hundreds of girls, adolescents, and women in Totonicapán face violence. Many endure it in silence, others don't know where to turn for help, but they are not alone. At the Comprehensive Support Center for Women Survivors of Violence, CAIMUS Dra. Pisquiy in Totonicapán, we support and assist girls, boys, adolescent girls, and adult women who are experiencing any form of violence against women. When we talk about violence against women, we mean a man inflicting physical or emotional harm on a woman. Often these are husbands who have assaulted their wives, but it can also be a father abusing his daughter, a brother his sister, a boyfriend his girlfriend, or a neighbor, boss, or co-worker. There are also cases where the aggressors are strangers who harm women out of a sense of superiority, hatred, or contempt. Violence can be physical, sexual, psychological, and economic or patrimonial. At CAIMUS in Totonicapán, women survivors of violence receive care in both Quiché and Spanish at no cost in the following areas. The social worker provides the initial support to women survivors of violence. We practice active listening, provide counseling, social guidance, and crisis intervention when needed. We also conduct an assessment of each survivor's needs and together with her develop an intervention plan to eliminate the risks she faces. Our social area conducts home visits, provides accompaniment, performs socioeconomic studies, and completes necessary procedures on behalf of survivors of violence. We also organize productive skills courses to promote the economic empowerment of the women receiving comprehensive care at CAIMUS. In the psychological area, we support the emotional and mental health of girls, adolescents, and women survivors of violence. This is achieved through individual therapy, self-help groups, crisis intervention, and various assessments, all conducted with a humanistic, confidential, and scientific approach. We also hold healing workshops in safe, trustworthy, and warm environments where difficult ideas, thoughts, and emotions can be expressed. These workshops help women survivors heal from the trauma and wounds caused by the violence they have suffered. These processes use a culturally relevant approach, respecting each participant's beliefs and experiences. In the medical area, we provide clinical care with a comprehensive focus. We carry out prevention and awareness campaigns about women's sexual and reproductive rights and hold medical service days for the benefit of survivors of violence and their minor children. We organize pap smear clinics and talks on sexual and reproductive rights, family planning, and disease prevention, among other topics. We also run deworming drives and nutritional screenings for the children of survivors to ensure the physical well-being of the women and their families. The legal area offers information, advice, assistance with paperwork, and accompaniment to survivors of violence in their pursuit of justice. The CAIMUS lawyer and legal advocate accompany, advise, and represent women throughout the entire process of filing a report, following national and international legal frameworks for sanctioning and eradicating violence against women. Furthermore, we organize empowerment workshops designed to strengthen women survivors through education about the laws that protect them, their rights, and how to report when those rights are violated. For CAIMUS in Totonicapán, it is essential to work on awareness and prevention of violence in the local communities. That's why we have a public communication strategy that, in addition to promoting the center's services, disseminates key messages about women's rights, healing and self-care, laws for preventing and punishing violence against women, positive masculinities, among other topics. We achieve this through printed materials, radio, audiovisual and digital content, and loudspeaker announcements across Totonicapán, communicating directly with women in Quiché or Spanish. We have implemented training and awareness programs for indigenous community authorities and community leaders throughout Totonicapán to prevent and eradicate violence against girls, adolescents, and women. We have also established 4 community support networks in the villages of Santa Ana, Tierra Colorada, the settlement of Rachuquel in Momostenango, and in the canton of Chotacaj in Totonicapán. These networks enable the timely detection and referral of cases of violence against women from the communities to the relevant institutions or directly to CAIMUS. CAIMUS Dra. Pisquiy in Totonicapán is located in the old hospital of Totonicapán at the Toto Tushela bus station. For more information or to support our project, please call 77664482 or 37307628. You can also email us at caimus@piesdeoccidente.org.gt or find us on Facebook and Instagram at CAIMUS Dra. Pisquiy de Totonicapán. The Comprehensive Support Center for Women Survivors of Violence, CAIMUS Dra. Pisquiy of Totonicapán, is a project of the PIES de Occidente Association with financial support from Action Meteor and BMZ. We walk together, we fight for all.